Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called Speaking to the Storm from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Speaking to the Storm. We don't pay any attention to our thoughts and actions. Then we end up with a life of many troubles. We act on impulse, then realize we should have thought it through. We constantly focus on the negative, then we end up unhappy or depressed. If we can contemplate our thoughts and actions, we would avoid trouble and distress. Contemplation is key to acquiring wisdom and not letting the storm sweep us away. With contemplation, wisdom, and faith, we speak to the storm and make it vanish. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of the good in your life right now. So if you are able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my family. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.